Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer USDT from one wallet to another in 2025. If you're new here, USDT is Tether, a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a favorite for quick and stable transactions in the crypto world. Whether you're sending funds to a friend, investing, or just managing your portfolio, this guide will have you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your source wallet set up and some USDT ready to go. In 2025, wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or even hardware options have become even more user-friendly with enhanced security features. Start by opening your source wallet app on your phone or computer. Once you're in, navigate to your Assets section and select USDT from your list of holdings. Next, look for the Send or Transfer button. It's usually pretty straightforward. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial, so double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Pro tip: in 2025, most wallets support QR code scanning, so if you're transferring to someone nearby, just scan their code for accuracy. Now, input the amount of USDT you want to send. Remember, transactions might involve network fees, especially if you're using networks like Ethereum or Tron, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Once you've entered the details, review everything carefully: amount, address, and fees. Hit confirm, and you'll get a transaction summary. After that, just wait for the blockchain to process it, which could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes depending on the network congestion. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred USDT. Always prioritize security by using reputable wallets and enabling two-factor authentication. If you're just starting out, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.